channel. Today we will show you the process of making jaggery, which is locally called Gurh. Let's go and see how they prepare Gurh. As you can see, the standing sugar cane. Cut this sugar cane. The field become like this. After cutting off the sugar cane, this field will now be prepared for the sowing of wheat. You can see this big machinery. First put the sugar cane just like this to get the sugar cane juice. They are putting the sugar cane juice in this. As you can see, the sugar cane juice is in a big pan and they are cooking it. We have to wait for 3 hours. Dear friends, you can see the sugarcane waste is dried in the sun and later on it is used to cook the sugarcane juice. See, the Gurh preparation is now in its last stage. As you can see, they are putting the prepared Gurh in a big tray. You can see they put the sugar cane stick into the Gurh. They are waiting for the Gurh to cool down. After cooling down the Gurh, the farmer gives the Gurh shape like this. You can see with the help of hands they are giving the Gurh shape like this. You can also add peanut and coconut into Gurh, and after getting meal you can enjoy a piece of it. And that was all. Smash the subscribe button for more interesting videos.